Hi, I'm Varun Tiwari.
Hi, I'm Kate Queen.
Welcome to the Start Talk. Today we have a special guest. जी हाँ, आज हमारे साथ है स्पेशल गेस्ट जिनका नाम है मकसूद नेगी। मकसूद जी, स्टूडियो में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत।
Good to see you guys and thanks to having me.
सबसे पहले दोस्तों मैं एक चीज बता दूं आपको कि मकसूद जी सिडनी के सबसे प्यारे और सबसे पुराने होस्ट है जिन्होंने बहुत सालों में मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि अपना सैटरडे अपना संडे देके पूरी मीडिया के बीच में टाइम निकालना इट्स वेरी टफ। देखने के लिए बहुत आसान लगता है, लेकिन जब कोई इंसान अपनी फैमिली से टाइम निकाल के अपनी कम्युनिटी को देता है, दैट इज द टोटल डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड। आज देखने के लिए वो दुनिया कुछ और होती है कि यस कि ये पार्टीज में है, ये शोज में है, ये कम्युनिटी के लिए एंटरटेन कर रहे हैं। आप अपनी गाड़ी में कहीं ड्राइव करके एक जगह से दूसरी जगह फैमिली के साथ जा रहे होते हैं, लेकिन वो इंसान अपनी फैमिली को छोड़ के रेडियो स्टेशन में बैठ के आपको एंटरटेन कर रहा होता है वीकेंड्स में। जी हाँ, मैं ये मकसूद नेगी जी को लाइफ टाइम कहूंगा कि इट्स अ लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट फॉर हिम। ही डन अ ग्रेट जॉब। We want to thank you from the whole community, and we want to thank you from bottom of heart and all friends on TV. You've done a great job, and we want to wish you the best wishes, best health, best wealth.
Absolutely. And I've met Maqsood ji, I think 2 years ago.
Yeah.
He came and introduced himself. What a humble man. I came to know your work, your passion for community, and it's always growing. And as Varun said, very old, not old. I think you are very, very.
I met Maqsood ji 15 years before.
15 years
yeah,
before.
He's also, if Maqsood ji remember the Udit Narayan show?
Yeah, Udit Narayan.
Yeah, yes. She is my dance partner in that. You don't know that. Then 15 years before. Yeah.
15 years ago. There you go.
Yes.
But such a lovely honor for you to come here. And I know you have a story for us. There's so much happening. Varun puts his heart out to share stories from us to you so that you can hear star talks, emotional talk, success talk. So could you please share?
This is the success talk because Maqsood ji is a life is a beautiful. Maqsood Negi ji, first we want to ask, हम आपको थोड़ा सा पीछे लेके जाना चाहते हैं। आपने मीडिया के अंदर आपकी एंट्री कैसे हुई, वहां से स्टार्ट करना चाहेंगे।
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही हुई। हमारे एक बड़े प्यारे दोस्त थे रियाज शाह साहब
जी,
वो मेरे क्लाइंट भी थे, मेरी शॉप थी लेकिन बगनोस होकर, तो उन्होंने आके अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया है। ही वाज अ वेरी गुड सिंगर, गॉड ब्लेस हिम, अल्लाह उनको जन्नत नसीब करे। तो उन्होंने मुझे रेडियो स्टेशन पर लेके गए। अपने रेडियो स्टेशन 100.9 FM था उस वक्त पेस्टो में, और वो 2BFM के नाम से जाना जाता था। तो उन्होंने मेरी एंट्री करवाई रेडियो में। तो क्योंकि वो प्रोग्राम करना नहीं चाह रहे थे, तो उन्होंने मुझे हैंड ओवर कर दिया प्रोग्राम। तो आई डिड नॉट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट हाउ टू डू। 20 years बैक आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट। तो मुझे कुछ नहीं था पता कि भाई इसमें करना क्या है, कैसे करना है। आई वाज जस्ट इवन दो नो हाउ टू ऑपरेट द पैनल
जी।
2-3 संडे तो मैंने देखा, किया, कुछ गलती भी की, मिस्टेक्स भी की, सब कुछ किया, लेकिन फिर then I picked up. That time there was a cassette, not the CDs.
Yes.
You remember with the pencil you set up the song and you put it up there, and anybody call you and request you the song, you tell them no. After 3 Sunday I will play your song because I don't have a time. I have a shop to look after. I have my kids to look after. I did not have a time to do all this cassette to set up for the radio because that time there was no CD player. Finally the CD came around. It will make a life a little bit more easy. And then eventually MP3 came in and made more happy. And then we moved from Exto to Yaguna. And I believe you came to Yaguna.
Absolutely, I did.
And then since 20 years we are moving around. Now we went back to Persto, our organization, have our new studio, new setup, everything, and own the building. The organization own the building, and it is a community service. That's like a room. He's a commercial, but he's doing a community service too. It is a community. This country have given you a lot,
Absolutely.
and you have to give them back
Yep.
to your community. everybody knows. I never charge anybody with any community announcement. With people, they are doing event, they make money, they don't make money, but they still, you support them. Especially you support the local artists, because local artists have no big screen. They don't have a big media, but local artists, every event, I love to go there, and I will always support them. You know that, and you know that too.
Absolutely.
Yes. And also last couple of years I was in a very bad sickness. I was struggling. Sometime I wanna say I was diagnosed with the cancer, and was shock for me. And I take it this very positive way, because I've been through in my life so many things, and I passed through. And I will pass through with this one too. Before it was taken care of with the medicine and all other treatments, but now this time is a very big operation is coming up for me, and it's an 8-hour operation, and it's going to be in the Nepean Hospital. And I still think positive. And because I've been through a lot, I go through a lot, I survived there, and I will survive here too.
Nigiti, I just want to say, as you say always, all is well.
And एक मैसेज देना
जी, जी.
प्लीज मेरे अपने सारे सुनने वाले जितने भी देखने वाले हैं सबके लिए, भाई प्लीज, I smoke a lot and I quit, and this is all happened to me with the smoking the cigarette. Please give up. It's not, your life is worth more than a cigarette. Thank you for the all is well, and best of luck to everybody.
Thank you.
Nigiti,
You know,
I just want to ask you one thing more.
Yes.
So आपने ये टोपी डालना कब शुरू किया?
Oh,
Because I'm watching you from the last 15 years.
And he had the hat.
है ना? He always had a hat. He is a man in the party. He never without hat. Everybody is like want to dance with him. Attraction. He's an attractive boy when he goes there. So आपने hat डालना कब से शुरू किया?
Hat, I think I started maybe 16, 17 years ago, but I am missing one thing today.
Yeah.
That is my scar.
Kaisa wanted to tell you, he came
Yeah.
to do the interview with me, I think 8 years before.
Yeah.
He came with the only knicker. And his t-shirt there. And I just said, what is that? It's a video interview. You remember?
Oh yes, I remember at your place.
Yes.
such a beautiful man. I think
Beautiful.
he said, you know, something very beautifully. In spite of going through such great ordeal, you said to be optimistic.
Yes.
And a lot of time we give up. You know,
Yeah.
little things happen, we give up. We don't even think how people are going through, especially in this time of COVID. Everyone is struggling with business, sickness, and cancer has taken 50,000 people dead in 2019. So, you know, your spirit keeps us going. And I think you speak so loudly about not smoking, taking care of your health.
Yeah.
But there's one thing that resonates within me today. If you can smile while going through it, then we don't have an excuse,
Yes.
do we?
Yeah, because I love to share my things with the people, so the people can learn the lesson. And all I wanted to say all the best, and all is
Well,
Well. So we want to say to everybody, all is well.